How to hide notification content from the lock screen in a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. By default, show all the notifications on the lock screen and status bar on your device. If you want to hide the lock screen notification, open the app drawer on your Samsung device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down, tap on the notifications. Here you can find the option lock screen. Tap on it. Here you can see show notification toggle on. By default, set the notification style as icon so you can see the only icons in the lock screen on your device. You can select the card so you can see all the notification message on the lock screen. Select the icon to show the only icon and select the dot option to show the only dot icon when you receive the notification. So you can change the lock screen notification style also. Also, if you want to hide all notifications from the lock screen, just toggle off this option. To then you can see notification won't appear on the lock screen. So hide the all notification from the lock screen. So toggle on this option to show the notification again. If you want to block app notification from the lock screen, tap on the app notification. Here you can individually hide the notification from the lock screen. Just toggle on the option you want to hide notification on a lock screen. Yeah, Samsung Z Fold 7. That's it. If you like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe.